We breathe into peace. We enter the inner landscape of our being. And we simply breathe here. Arrive here. Dwell here. We take in a community breath. And as we exhale, we release anything that came before this moment. And we release any attachment or thoughts of what may come after this moment. We simply allow ourselves to enter into a state of allowing and being present with all of our energy, attention, and intention in this moment. This moment is the one moment. In truth, it is the only moment that exists. It's the moment that comes with us, that goes before us. It is the only space and the place where our power lies. It is the portal to the great awakening. So in this space, we release any attachment to our history, to paradigms or thoughts that we may have inherited or made agreements with that no longer serve us. We simply look again. We simply open ourselves to the fullness of the here and now, to the gifts within, to the living water, in the sacred silence. Breathing in, breathing out. We bring the fullness of peace into this moment, allowing appreciation to fill our being right from the heart center. Namaste.